I am Kahan Patel. Raise your hands if you like festivals. Oh. How about raising it one more time if you like to do shopping on festivals? Okay, now my last question. If you think whether the products you buy on festivals are good or bad for environment. So India is a festival full travel country. India spends 32 billion rupees on festivals for harmful decorative products, which ultimately is used one time and keep it in the storeroom or anywhere storage. In Quest 2, we had done a social campaign where we sold cloth bags and collected plastic from riverfront. From that experience, I started to more learn about environment and environmental problems. There was the first major problem. There were no decorative products which were recycled or which were nice for environment. And we were just simply using that product and making our environment bad. I have the solution. To stop facing this problem, I had come up with an idea where I will sell sustainable recycled decorative products. So my company name is EcoFest. My business scale is India, as I've told you, India spends 32 billion rupees on environmental harmful products. Gujarat has a population of 7 crores. My aim is to sell my products 10% of Gujarat, and it would be around estimated my revenue would be 1 crore. It's just a figure I have not perfectly calculated. My focus is to make eco-friendly products which are different from normal products which are made in factories and used machines for making. In next 2 years, I want to see my brand nationally spread over every state of India. And I don't want any eco-friendly lover to face this problem as I have faced. So my first strategy is to sell my product on Amazon, Flipkart and physical stores which already sell these products. Like if you say Brown Living, they sell their products through online and they are the major competitor of with me. Explore the possibility of collaboration with social media influence. I will collaborate with the social media influence who makes videos about environment and sell environmental products. My ask is 10 lakhs for 9% of equity. So basically my warehouse is around 96,000 rupees per year. Marketing is 75,000 rupees. Then transport is 3 lakhs, branding is 90,000 and the manpower will be 1 lakh per year because I am not making from the normal people. I am making the products with the help of local artisans of village who cannot come up with their own idea or they don't have a they don't have money to come up with their own idea. Thank you. No.
So what kind of products?
Like basically on Diwali we use torrents, artificial torrents for decorating products, decorating our house because they are sustainable and you can keep them for very long. And the normal we don't use the normal flowers because वो 10 दिन के बाद सूखे हो जाते हैं, so it sinks. So the alternative of the artificial flowers is jute torrents, which are jutely made and which can be hanged and it looks nice. Second, photo frames. Photo frames are made of steel and wood. Wood we needed wood by cutting trees. Cutting trees ultimately leads to deforestation. So replacement of photo frame through wood is bamboo fabric photo frames, which are made up of bamboo fabric, and it looks nice when you gift someone or you can buy it by your.
Have you decided on the price of?
Yeah, suppose artificial flowers toran is around 200, so my product price would be nearly about 200 or less than 200.
So tell me one thing, how will you differentiate, right? Because there are a lot of such products. Also eco-friendly products as a decor for festivals are also available, right? So what are you doing differently? Is there anything
Actually, the problem is, suppose you buy an eco-friendly decorative products, which is ultimately made in machines. They just told we are giving eco-friendly products. So these products are made by local artisans. I am giving the design and they are making the products and I am selling them.
Okay, I think I would argue that there are also people who use local artisans to make products. So maybe think about something that will differentiate your products from others, or you can say that, okay, fine, I will be one other product where in the category where there are other competitors that exist. I think, I don't have any other.
So I had the same question as Tanvi. वो ही question था, तो I think pretty much.
I probably would doubt as to what you're kind of positioning yourself, because catching a market of 10% from 32 million spending, that's like very big, to be very honest. So that's very optimistic. When you're starting up, probably less than 0.05% is what you will be capturing when you're kind of kicking off. Secondly, selling it on Amazon, Flipkarts probably might not be able to, you'll not be able to reach the right audience that you're looking to reach out to. It will not give you the right market size that you're kind of pitching for. You should think of your GTM in kind of reaching out to the end users directly. Probably set up, chain sort of a system which can help you to sell faster. Local artisans can be your influencers which can help you to reach the last mile audience. But you'll have to create some USP which kind of differentiates you from the existing players. And as Tanuji mentioned, there are ample of them. Using local artisans, using eco-friendly products, it has been selling since last 5 odd years and it has been picked up crazily. You need to create a differentiating factor which helps you thrive in this strong market. Recently, Fool.co kind of made a very strong presence in this segment. They used to recycle the flowers that are being given in multiple temples. You can think something on those lines, but you'll have to differentiate. It cannot be just one player selling the same odd thing and positioning in the same odd products. You need to think something different which can help you scale up.
That's it.
Thank
Nothing from my side.
Thank you.